Karen's going to ride in there.
Yeah, I'm pushing her.
Pushing Karen in your cart?
Yeah.
Great.
Here's the front door. We have to pass that to get the car.
Yeah.
We're going to pass the door.
We're pushing the cart past the store.
This door is not this. It's the same.
The same?
Yeah.
The same as what?
Uh-oh.
Oh, we came to the end.
Can you help me get it down?
Be careful. No, I think it should stay. I think it should stay on the sidewalk, Alice.
I need to get down it.
We don't need to take it down.
Was the car right this way? There we go. No, not that way. Oh, yeah.
Now it's trying to get away. We're on a little hill.
Look, this is the way to the car where we want to go.
Oh,
Look, it has
to the card
option.
store.
And also the option.
And also the other things. I see.
Here's the door. You